Hey everyone, want to connect Zapier to ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zapier with ClickUp and automate repetitive tasks across your favorite apps step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, open Zapier in another browser tab and sign in to your Zapier account. Now create a new automation, also called a Zap, by selecting the option to create a new workflow. Choose the app that will start the automation as your trigger. This could be tools like Gmail, Google Forms, Slack, or other apps you use daily. Next, select ClickUp as the action app where you want automated tasks or updates to happen. Connect your ClickUp account by signing in and allowing Zapier the required permissions. Choose the ClickUp action you want to automate, such as creating a task, updating a task, adding a comment, or assigning a task to a team member. Now customize the workflow by selecting your ClickUp Workspace, space, folder, or list. Map the information from your trigger app to ClickUp fields, such as task names, descriptions, due dates, and assignees. Test the automation to make sure the information transfers correctly between both platforms. Finally, turn on your Zap and monitor the automation to ensure it works smoothly. And that's how to connect Zapier to ClickUp. By combining Zapier automation with ClickUp project management, you can save time, reduce manual work, and create a more efficient workflow across your apps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.